In today's video, I'll show you how to use post templates to speed up content creation, making your workflow more efficient. If you're tired of reinventing the wheel every time you create a post, stick with me until the end, because you'll learn how templates can save you hours of work. Let's jump right in. Post templates are pre-designed formats that you can reuse for different content. They're perfect for speeding up your content creation process by providing a structure that only needs a few tweaks each time. Whether you're posting on social media, writing blog posts, or sending email newsletters, templates can simplify things. First off, let's talk about how to create a simple post template. Start by outlining the key sections that every post needs, such as a headline, introduction, body, and a call to action. You don't need to overcomplicate it. For example, if you're posting on Instagram, your template could have spaces for an attention-grabbing opening line, the main message, and hashtags at the end. Once you've created a basic structure, use it consistently. That means whenever you're creating content, instead of starting from scratch, you can quickly plug in your new information. This speeds up the writing process and helps maintain consistency in your posts, which is key to building an audience. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are tons of content creation tools out there that offer templates, but after testing several, I found that the software we're using today gives you the best balance of features, flexibility, and ease of use. If you want to follow along with what I'm doing, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below just for you, my viewers. Next, let's talk about saving time with customization. The beauty of templates is that once you have one in place, you don't need to tweak every little detail. Focus on customizing the parts that are most important, whether that's updating text, images, or adding personalized details. Over time, you'll find that your templates evolve to fit your style and brand even better. One thing to keep in mind is organization. You don't want your templates to get lost in a sea of files. Make sure to categorize them and keep them easily accessible so that when you need them, you can find them right away. This will keep you from wasting time searching for the right template. And don't forget, you can also create templates for things like email responses, client proposals, or even daily checklists. If you do these tasks regularly, templates are a game changer. Not only does this make everything faster, but it ensures you're not missing any important steps. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? The real power of post templates is that they let you get more done in less time, with less effort. Once you set them up, you'll speed up content creation without sacrificing quality. Let's quickly go over the main points. First, start by creating a simple post template with the basic sections you need. Second, customize it to fit your content. And finally, keep everything organized so you can quickly grab your template whenever you need it. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Trust me, it'll help you speed up your content creation even more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.